Why does this partnership exist?
I think particularly what helped kickstart our relationship here with Bring IT was when we first met Omar, and we found that we had a lot in common because he came from the real world as well. And then he said there was this other guy he wanted us to meet named Ryan. And we always thought, well, they introduce you to the second best second. And it turns out that he was just as good as Omar. And that has been our experience across the board with Bring IT, is that it doesn't matter who you're talking to, whether they're a new face to you or not, you're still getting the same quality, the same background, and the same expertise.
What value does the Bring IT and BlendAPPS partnership bring to manufacturers with complex processes?
Yeah, so Bring IT's partnership with BlendAPPS is a game changer for industries like chemical manufacturing, nutraceuticals, food and beverage, and agriculture, where every company has unique and complex processes that need to be built into their ERP. Instead of reinventing the wheel for each implementation, Blend provides a proven, industry-focused solution that works right out of the box. This allows us to get businesses live faster, with a system designed for their needs, leading to higher adoption, greater efficiency, and more value from NetSuite.
How does your partnership with Bring IT enhance your ability to focus on product innovation?
So one of the incremental benefits that we have by partnering with great people like Bring IT is that it allows us to focus exclusively on the product. So while NetSuite has 2 major releases a year, Blend has a release every 2 weeks where we're adding new features to the product, both large and small. So as we continue to roll out to expand capabilities in the shop floor, as we're extending into things like finite capacity planning and scheduling, as we are making batch manufacturing easier and faster for people and getting into the world of repackaging and finding ways to minimize clicks.
What factors contribute to the success of this partnership?
Yeah, I think NetSuite is the first ERP in the cloud, right? It has over 25 years now in the market. It's the most powerful financial tool in the ecosystem. You can compare it with any of the big players, and NetSuite will be as good as all of them or better. And now with the manufacturing piece, right? So they are able to really combine the same user experience, the same user and data flow from the financial space into manufacturing, right? Now with Blend, we can complement all those features by entering into the chemical manufacturing space and process manufacturing space, which is not something that NetSuite usually covers. So with BlendAPPS now we're able to expand that reach and really get to these other clients and prospects that are in need of a solution like that one. So I think really, if you want to have the best of breed, in terms of financials and manufacturing, you go with NetSuite. And then, if you have a need of formula, management, recipe management, then we can complement NetSuite with BlendAPPS, right? And that will give us that solution that is specific to their industry and is really built in NetSuite, so it integrates and sends all the data right into the financial information to really have control over every step of the manufacturing process.